Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the basics so you don't chase ghosts. First, make sure the box has the correct adapter and solid power light. Loose plugs look powered but fail. Next, check Ethernet or coax cables and their ports for firm seating because intermittent links cause the most problems. Finally, note LED colors and blink patterns so you can interpret status codes. Once done, proceed immediately to soft resets to preserve settings. You now perform targeted troubleshooting steps that fix most faults. Power cycle the box, unplug for 30 seconds, wait a full minute, then plug the modem first, then the router. This clears transient errors. Next, log into the router GUI and verify its LAN IP, DHCP range, and whether devices are receiving addresses because IP conflicts block connections. Also check for firmware updates or ISP outage notices. If an update is pending, you finish by restoring stable operation and locking in fixes. If problems persist, perform a factory reset with the PIN. Remember, this erases custom settings, so record them first. After reset, reposition the box elevated and clear of microwaves or metal to improve radio range. Point antennas upright. Reconfigure admin password, SSID, and DHCP, then verify clients connect and run a speed test. If issues continue, one troubleshooting tip. Test with a known good cable and a different outlet to isolate wiring or power problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.